How will changing marijuana laws affect your teens and children? Are you a parent struggling to help your adolescent or teenage son or daughter navigate the facts and myths surrounding marijuana use? This is becoming more of an issue with the changing legal and cultural attitudes regarding marijuana. In January of 2020, marijuana will be legal in some form in all states except Idaho, South Dakota and Nebraska. In fact, in 11 states, it will be fully legal. Although purchase may be restricted to those over 21 years of age, and use under the age of 18 is illegal, the reality is that, just like with alcohol, many teens will be exposed to this drug. We are here to help you get a clear understanding of today's marijuana, the risks to your still growing children's health, and to help you start an honest and open conversation with your kids. Is marijuana use on the rise? With studies showing that about 38% of high school students have used marijuana at least once, yes, it is on the rise. That's why it's vitally important for parents to educate themselves about marijuana and related products such as cannabis oil and edibles to help their children understand the effects of this potent drug. Despite common belief, marijuana is addictive. Besides, marijuana has evolved over the decades and its potency is higher than ever before. In the past, marijuana was available as a concoction of leaves, stems, and flowers containing very low levels of tetrahydrocannabinol (THC), the substance that produces a high. The marijuana we get nowadays contains more of the feminized flower, sinsemilla, with 2 to 3 times more THC and thus poses a real risk to our children's health, especially to their developing brain and body. Any mind-altering substance they take, like marijuana, will have a long-term effect, essentially rewiring the brain. Marijuana use may result in both mental and physical side effects. Various studies have shown that marijuana use causes the following mental side effects: difficulty in concentration and problem solving, problems with learning and memory, lower intelligence and poor academic performance, damaged executive functioning leading to an increase in risky behaviors including the use of other drugs, alcohol and dangerous sexual behavior, increased risk of anxiety, depression, suicide and psychosis such as schizophrenia. Impaired physical ability, balance, and coordination. Marijuana use in young people will have negative effects on attention and learning which can result in lower grades at school. Marijuana use also makes it harder to identify depression and mental illness in young people, resulting in the delay of treatment. Physical damage to your child's body due to marijuana use can include coughing, wheezing and respiratory problems, increased risk of lung cancer, increased heart rate, increasing the risk of heart attack. About 10% of marijuana users become physically addicted, setting them up for a lifetime of mental health problems, financial insecurity, and social isolation. Marijuana is not regulated by the FDA for purity, safety, ingredients or strength. While it may be natural, that doesn't mean it's safe. Be mindful of your child's behavior and don't just rely on smelling the marijuana odor. Remember, the drug can be vaped, eaten in baked goods, drunk in a beverage or absorbed through the skin using oils. How can you identify marijuana use in your child? Here are some of the telltale signs that your child may be using marijuana: increased irritability, anger or mood swings, loss of interest and motivation for schoolwork, hobbies, athletics, and clubs, associating with peers whom you suspect or know are using marijuana, acting out of character, laughter, and silliness, forgetting what just happened a moment ago, red eyes or a change in appetite and increased snacking, carrying lighters, plastic bags, vape pens. As a parent, your input is vital in conversations about marijuana use with your children. When kids are not properly informed, they are at greater risk of engaging in unsafe behaviors. Parents who are educated about drug use can provide their kids with simple, clear facts and eliminate any misconceptions. Make sure to talk to your child. Ideally, conversations with your children about drugs and alcohol should start very early, when they are in elementary school. Start by asking what your teen or child has heard and thinks about marijuana. Give your teen time to answer completely, without interruption or judgment. Explain the facts about marijuana's effect on the body and brain, and the risks people take when they use any type of mind-altering substance. Talking honestly with your children as soon as possible, especially with the upcoming legalization, is vital to healthy brain development and mental health. In conclusion, even though marijuana has a reputation for being safe and it is or will be legal in your state, there are long-term side effects with its use. It is important to help your children and deter them from using it in the first place. Knowing the risks and talking to your child will help you to navigate this issue. If you have any questions about how to have this conversation, or if you suspect your child already has a marijuana or substance abuse problem, make an appointment with your pediatrician or counselor. They will be happy to help you and your child. Please feel free to discuss the issue in the comments below. If this video has helped you, be sure to like, comment and share this video. Also, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive regular updates. For more health content like this, visit www.medicalisland.net.